Welcome to Colorido's channel. Today I will show you the latest product developed by Colorido double arm rotating sock printer. In the field of sock printing, many customers love the flexible operation of single arm printers, but are often troubled by low printing output. Colorido has invested a lot of energy in research and development and successfully launched the latest double-arm rotary sock printer, bringing a new revolve. The double-arm rotary sock printer cleverly combines the double-arm design with the rotary structure. The double arms work alternately, directly doubling or even more the printing output compared to the traditional single-arm printer, efficiently meeting the needs of large-scale production. The unique. From the functional point of view, it inherits the diversified printing capabilities of Colorido printers and can perfectly present complex and exquisite artistic patterns or simple and fashionable trendy designs. It is also easy to operate and easy to use, so even first-time workers can master it.